Saka ari kuenda pabonde nevana ava ndiani mucommunity?
Varume vakuru chaivo ndo vanoenda pabonde nevana ivava because vanoziva kuti vana ava 1 akangoratidzwa kana kuti $2 ukamuti ini handisi kuda protector mwana akutoita sei akutobvuma nenyaya yekuti ndaratidzwa chi $2 because $2 yanenge achitoiona kuti kwaari iyeka yakamuwandira because haana mwana haana chimwe chinhu chaari kutarisa kuti chandinozoda kuita because akatenga kaskin tight nhasi kemubhero ke50 bond vanochinjana vese vachipfekedzana vakaita sei vakadaro hakuna exactly waunonyatsoziva kuti uyu munhu hembe dzake ndedzidzi vanenge vachingochinjana zvawaona zvina uyu nhasi ndo zvautoona zvina uyu mangwana tinongowachwa zvichinanikwa zvichingochinjaniswa kudaro.
Mfaro, you heard what Emma is saying. She's representing a community.
Yes.
Would we say this is a problem that's widespread from Katswe's perspective?
Okay, so let me add on to what Emma said. We did a documentary on children selling sex a while back, and I remember vividly there was a young girl. She gave her life experience. She was 12 when she started selling sex. What happened is that her father passed on, and then mai vakavavaono chikomba chavo vavaenda kuSouth Africa. Vaona chikomba chavo vakaenda kuSouth Africa vakambotanga vachambotumira school fees, chikafu, rent and all of that, but eventually vakazongoregera. Varegera kudaro, the elder sister is the one who then took a step up, and then she started taking care of her little siblings who this young girl was also a part of. But unfortunately, it's not sustainable, because some of the amounts that these children sell sex for is as little as 50 cents. And 50 cents, akuna fees no badarika pa 50 cents. So she had to drop out of school. When she dropped out of school, her sister said, "No, iwo awite kubawa. Iwo I would do it. Iwo no gara." But unfortunately, she saw the challenges that were at home, and she also took it in her own hands to also now start going to the bars and also starting to, selling sex at the age of 12. So these are some of the issues that the community is facing. These are the lived realities that are in the community, that when you speak to them, yes, they had, because when you then interview them, they actually did have, a life plan. They were thinking of going to school. They were thinking, some of them wanted to do some plumbing services, courses. Some of them want to do catering, all different type of things. But because of the difficulties that they're now faced with, they are left with no option. So yes, I do acknowledge that some of the children within the communities are also just taking child sexual exploitation as a way of living, or just as a way of playing, because now this is the norm. But many of them are faced with horrible situations where they will tell you that they are left with no choice. And after having interviewed them, they will tell you that, yes, I really want to stop. Yes, I want to do this with my life. Yes, I want to do this with my life. But unfortunately, the situation does not permit me. So selling sex is the only thing that I'm now left with.